My son knows that I make YouTube videos, and obviously he's been in a couple of them, and he's been wanting a camera of his own. So we wanted to get him a camera, and we looked at kids' cameras and all sorts of other stuff, and I decided to get him this camera. This, I believe, will be the best kids' camera for the 2021 Christmas season. Now, what is it? It's an Olympus. Which one is this one? The TG1. Now, this is an old camera. This is out of date. I got it from eBay. But it is waterproof, shock resistant, all this other good stuff. It has very simple controls. Just an on-off button on the top. Take pictures. Just push this button right here. Records video. Stops recording video. Zoom wide, take a picture. And you can do, what is it? It's even like a magic mode thing, which I would never use. You can put on different filters on your stuff. I would never use that, but my kid might have fun with that. So, anyways, a lot of the kids' cameras were pretty kind of chintzy looking, and one of them had good reviews, but they're like, yeah, but it has a game on it, and the kids discover the game, and then now they keep playing the game and not using the camera as an actual camera. So this camera is a camera. It's a good quality camera. It was probably of several $100s when it was new. Now you can get them 30-40 bucks on eBay. It is, like I said, waterproof, so if your kid leaves it out in the rain, it doesn't matter. You can wash it off. Good durable camera. So I think this is the best kids camera for 2021 Christmas. Well, hopefully my son likes it anyways. So we'll see.